The Half-Off Pond's Clean Sweep 1400 is the fast, effective, and convenient way to clean your pond or pool. Driven by a powerful 1400-watt motor and a 12-foot grounded power cord, the Clean Sweep effortlessly removes the toughest layers of debris and muck. It's perfectly designed for shallow water features with a recommended operational depth of 3 feet and a maximum suction depth of 6 feet. The Clean Sweep is not intended for deep water features. The Clean Sweep 1400 features a smart, continuous cycle that does the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. As you vacuum, the tank collects debris. Once full, the motor automatically shuts off and lets the tank drain. When it's empty, the motor automatically restarts. Just keep going until the job is done. The Clean Sweep 1400 includes everything you need: a 13-foot intake hose, 4 extension tubes, 3 specialized vacuum nozzles, and a 6.5-foot drainage hose. The Clean Sweep 1400 is backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Our fully U.S.-based service team can help with any questions or issues. Service calls ring directly to our team right here in St. Louis, Missouri. Clean smarter, not harder. Order your Half-Off Pond's Clean Sweep 1400 today and get back to enjoying your water.